Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's the Vampire Skarlett, and today I'm going to react to Chainsaw Man. My entire knowledge of this anime is that it's about demons, and the main character is supposed to be some sort of demon, or at the very least a hybrid. He can turn into a chainsaw demon, like in a poster. And I'm assuming it's going to follow the same pattern as Jujutsu Kaisen. He no doubt will have to fight other demons and destroy them. That's what I'm surmising. And since I don't know much more about it, I'm just gonna jump straight into it. Before I do that though, remember to like, subscribe if you comment. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video. And without any further ado, let's get straight into it. Who's breathing like that? Why are they breathing like that? Sounds scared. Who are you? What kind of work do you have? Kidney you sold. What? You sold your eye. Why? What? Excuse you? How do you function? That is not a dog. I thought that was a dog. Okay. So he does hunt demons. Devil hunting. Well, that looks unsettling. Too many eyes. Not a fan of creatures with many eyes. Based on the intro, there's some sort of organization. Is it the same as oh, completely cut it off. As Jujutsu Kaisen, I know I shouldn't compare, but Tomato Devil. What? You're just gonna keep removing and removing. You're not gonna get anything, are you? See? He practically robbed you. How's that dinner? He owes you. That's why you treated him like that. Why you removed so much money from his reward. But for how long is he gonna do that? He has a literal devil with him. What happens when he decides that he has had enough of you? What? He just ate a cigarette. What? Oh. I thought he ate, so he just kept. He was keeping faces. Is that where he lives? Is that how he lives? He's completely and utterly broke. Can you even die? This thing's half dog, half chainsaw. That's so strange. Someone died. Who's that? Mother? Oh, no. Brother, then. Or father. Father. Why did I go to brother? That? It doesn't even... It's not even... His debt. It's someone else's. And it just fell upon him to pay it. Was that just here? Wait! His teeth. They've always been like this. I thought was because he was a demon, but he's not actually a devil. He just uses one. Oh, it was wounded. What did that to you? Drinking blood heals the devil. Oh, what are they like? Sounds strangely vampiric. Then again, demons are known to consume souls, so them consuming blood is not that strange. Oh, he made a deal with her. Well, that was a good deal. That gave you some worth, but most importantly, they won't be able to kill you that easily. As long as you have that thing. Such a small dream. All you want is a normal life. Why are you bleeding? Oh. It's hereditary. Can you even work in that state? So is the thing connected with you because it drank your blood? That means they literally cannot take it away from you, right? What if they decide to steal it? What kind of a demon? Chotomate. Is that a trap? Yeah, that is a trap. They're trying to take it from you. They're gonna try to kill you, but I don't think you can just take it. See? But what happens when the demon gets angry, the devil? This thing can kill you. I'm sure it could kill all of you. What happened to this guy? Oh, he stabbed them both. He's a demon. But you've gotten taken over. These idiots. Now what? Zombie devil. Does that mean there's a vampire devil? Well, that is logical. Kill you before he kills you. So that means his little dog demon thing can't fight on its own. That is, you're gonna bleed out. Careful! Behind you! Look! Come on! Wait! Hello? What? Visible confusion here. That was the MC, correct? Can he heal? They chopped him up! Even the devil. Still alive. It's gonna heal him. Is that a flashback or an hallucination? Which one? You did. Oh, take over. Is he gonna take over your body? It's not even you then. Does that mean it's not even him, but the creature that took over? Butchta. That was its name, correct? So it's gonna fulfill this, see? It's putting him together and taking the body. Sure did. Can't talk? Oh. He's... The creature passed his... Gave his power to him. Okay. Now what? You want to talk? Have you seen yourself? He's no longer just a devil hunter, he's a literal devil now. Greed, mate. Greed. Does he have to pull that to turn? Yes, but you had reasons to do so. They were just greedy. Senselessly. Needlessly. That's like a chainsaw. They're devouring him. But he can heal now. No, he's not. Tear them to pieces. Can you even eat anything like this? You're all on top of each other. Do you even have access to him anymore? Oh, oh! Well, that's gory. Almost CGI'd. No, he's not. You are dead. Ouch. Got it. Careful. Dodge. Ouch. It's okay, his head is made of metal. And you're dead. Cut. Slice. He's gonna eat and regenerate. Oh no, he's using them as fodder. Oh, now you're saying stay away. Oh. End it. You're the one who's dying. You made of flesh and he's a living chainsaw. Do you not see how much of a disadvantage that is for you? Slice him up the middle and bathe in its blood. What happens now? Do you devour it? Have fun killing them. Precisely, I'm gonna do my job. No longer in debt. Precisely. He's losing it. That's not a good thing. Can we see the aftermath of it all? And who is that? Are the people from the intro sort of guy before you? So your hunters, your what that creature mentioned, devil hunters, could have used you 5 hours ago. Look at this. He ended everyone. How does he turn it off? He's not stuck like this forever, is he? Oh. What? Oh. It's melting. He is possessed. Oh. So it's not possession. Well, it's dead now. Join us or die. Well, that's I'll take that deal. Yeah, he's gonna accept. You wanted that bread with jam. You had him at jam. It's okay. He's gonna accept already. That was Chainsaw Man episode 1. Turns out it was not originally a demon. It was just a human, normal human, who made a deal with a devil. They're called devil. Chainsaw Devil, and in exchange for he agreed to feed the creature as long as the creature helps him killing other devils. And his father hanged himself and left him in debt, and he fell upon him to pay that debt to the Yakuza, and they used him as a devil hunter. But they got greedy. They wanted power, the power he had, power of a devil, and they went to see a zombie devil of all devil they could find, a devil that's gonna turn you into a zombie, and they just accepted regardless. Got turned into mindless zombies, got Denji killed, chopped into pieces, literally. But he had already made another sort of agreement with Pochita. He told him that if he ever died, that Pochita was to take his body and enjoy the normal life. Instead, Pochita gave him his heart and say, show me your dream. So now he's not a devil or a human, he's something in between, a hybrid of sorts. And the public safety, they came at the end with the girl, and she basically hired him. He had two choices, join or die. So, well, that's gonna be interesting. Boy, do I look forward to the next episode. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.